Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know we did no show this week on Master Glass. We're coming back next week with a really cool Absinthe episode that you're really going to like. It's really great detail info about Absinthe. We didn't do an episode this week because we've been running around. We've finally been able to hit the road a little bit more. And now that the mask mandate is off here in Nevada, we're getting a lot more tourists. We're seeing a lot more people. And I just got finished recording in the past 3 days episodes with King Cocktail, Dale Degroff, Julio Cabrera, who is, in my opinion, the authority of Cuban cocktails, and of course the Daiquiri. Can't wait to show you that episode with him. I also have one with Angus Winchester out of the UK, amazing bartender. He's going to show us how to make a really cool flip that he makes. I have Ross Simon from formerly at the Lab in London, who shows us how the porn star Martini was actually made. America's bartender, Charles Joly from the Grammy and the Emmy Awards. Incredible bartender. Just a lot going on. I look so much forward to it, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.